Rare find. Won't last long. 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 3-car garage ranch with 3,151 square feet living space located in a cul-de-sac. Open bright floor plan, great for entertainment with a wonderful finished basement and hair salon room. Great room includes tall vaulted ceilings that open up the space with a cozy fireplace, laminate flooring. Primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and private bath. Kitchen with updated stainless steel appliances and double oven. Tons of storage in the garage and basement. Garage with 220 electric car charger outlet. Landscaping and privacy lot with trees. 5 minutes away from the freeway, shopping, restaurants, minutes away from Walled Lake schools. Last 2 years W-9, last 2 months paystubs, employment verification, minimum 700 credit score, full credit report required. $300 non-refundable cleaning fee, no pets, no smoking, no vaping on the premises. Renter's insurance required, corporate transferees employees to provide employment letter from HR. First month rent plus 1.5 months deposit required at move-in.